What's up, guys? It's Yellow Jacket here. Just giving you guys the new video today. Today I'm supposed to be going to pick up my catch can from my friend's house that I ordered. Should be a good little time to install it today. Also, maybe getting a wrap done to my hood today. I don't know yet, but we'll see how it goes, man. That Taillight Tint that I installed looks really freaking good. You guys should go check out my video on talking about it and stuff. But other than that, let's start today off with this cold start. See how we sound. What's up, guys? We're back. As you can see, we got the freaking catch can from our friends. So we're gonna get started with this install. The tools that you're gonna need is I believe this is a 13 milliliter socket wrench, whatever they call it, and yeah, it fits perfect with it. So, and you're gonna need a flathead to pry this open in here. Pry this little plastic piece in there, and of course, this is what they sent you with the catch cans. These two little, I forget what they're called. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, these little pieces are gonna go with it, and they gave you the PCV valves. All right, so we can get started with this. All right, first thing we're gonna do is this little plastic piece right here. You're gonna have to pry this open right there, and that's gonna be where your bolt fits at. So it's gonna take a little bit of roughhousing it. Don't be afraid to do it. Make sure you freaking wash your hands, because if you're just getting done driving and trying to install this, you can burn your hand a little bit, as I just did. Felt a little bit of heat there. This is just giving you, it's going to give you a little bit of freaking problems, but all right, stop it. All right, so once you get this pried open, next step is going to be taking these little rubber pieces off right here on each side. So you got this little 45-degree angle one, and you got this straight one here. You can use a screwdriver like how I'm doing to help you get started to pry it off, because it is a little tough work to do. So let me see. Yeah. All right, that's one. Got a little bit of oil on my hand there. That's all right, though. Stop it. All right, once you remove this piece right here, you can go ahead and freaking screw in whatever, but you can screw this in before that. It doesn't matter. I just chose to do it in this order. You can do it in whatever order you want to do it. So once you get done removing this part right here, you're gonna freaking put them down. You're gonna get these little brass fittings over here. You're gonna get the brass fittings right here. You're gonna just push them in right there. Push the other one in right there. I'm not sure if the sizes are any different on each end, but it may feel weird at first, but I don't think it's a difference. All right, so you're gonna go short. The short pipe is gonna go in the front here, and it's gonna go right onto. Wait, oops, what the fuck? All right, go there, and then it's gonna go there. What the fuck? Hold on. Maybe if we take this piece off, swap it around, we might be able to do a little bit of magic. Let's see. That goes there. And place that one there. All right. Then you're gonna grab the long one, place it in the back one, and you're just gonna simply put it there. And that is it. And you just screw this little one on here, and you check every 3,000 miles, I believe, to see if it to see what it's called. Other than that, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think, and we'll check on and see how this catch can is doing a little bit later on.